Good afternoon, everyone. This is Mohan Reddy. I'm the SAP FICO trainer. So, in this video, I'm going to explain the topic is maintaining activities like accrual and deferral concepts. And accrual and deferral concepts we are going to explain. Before going to do the configurations, once we must have some basic information regarding the accrual and deferral. So, first of all, what is the meaning of accrual and what is meaning of deferral? In which situations we are using this actual and deferral concepts. So let me explain everything. Then we have some basic information. Then we have some basic configurations. We need to create some ledgers like salary ledger, salary payable ledger at the same time, electricity bill ledger, electricity bill payable ledgers, everything. Let's go to the topic. So this is the completely month-ending activities. So uh, mostly many of the organizations, whatever the small scale, big scale, in different types of organizations, schools, and everything. So these accrual and deferral concepts is must and should they are using. Basically accrual and deferral. So the term accrual and deferral are key concepts in accounting, and they are related to timing of when income and expenditure are recognized in the financial statement. So here definition of accrual means accrual accounting refers to the recognition of revenues and expenditure when they are earned or inaccrued. So regardless of when cash is actually received or paid. So it means in any organizations they have some they need to pay some regular expenditure regular expenditure means organization running purpose month ending rent bill rent expenditure rent payable and current bill electricity bill payable and salaries payable wages payable and office maintenance regular contract employee payable and housekeeping material monthly bills payable. There are different types of expenditure is generating based on the business nature wise. So here we are using this accrual concept means simply. So for example, we can choose one small organization like the ABC or XYZ organization. The organization we need to pay monthly regular expenditure. So in these scenarios by month ending. So it means now this month is September. So September month starting to ending, what are the services we are taken or we are given to the customers? We are taking the from customer vendors. Vendors means in raw material point of view also we can treat as a vendors or else regular material like electricity bill, rent payable, salaries. These are all comes under the expenditure. So these are also these types of all expenditure we need to uh, enter our systems. So outstanding expenditure or outstanding expenditure. So it means payables. So at the same time to be collecting. So it means receivable amount. So these are all amount. So these are all transactions when we record our when we record our SAP systems. Then only we can generate the reports by month ending exact amount, how much to be pay, how much to be payable by this month ending, how much to be outstanding expenditure, outstanding liabilities, and how much amount to be collected from our customers or whatever. So these are all reports we can generate using with accrual deferral concepts. Simply, I'll explain example. If a company provides services in December month, but does not receive any payment until January. Under the accrual method, the revenue is recognized in December month when the services are performed. So it means, for example, we can take any services from another vendor, another company. So regarding this, it means he told December month services we paid amount from January month only. So here I'll just explain. This is a September month. So September month electricity bill amount we are taken the September month, whatever date 10, 15, whatever. But before by month ending, we must enter the we must update the this bill only this bill this bill before this month ending date. So by month ending, once we can generate the reports, how much amount to be payable from how much amount payable to the different vendors or different expenditure wise. So these purpose we can use the deferral concept. So it means how much amount to be paid and how much amount to be collected. So these report we will generate based on this accrual concept. So then deferral concept means deferral involves delaying the recognition of revenues or expenditures. Deferral involves delaying the recognition of revenues and expenditure in a future period when the associated income or expenditure actually occurs. Occurs means received. So it means, for example, we are providing any services to the customer. So the service will provide on the next year only, but the customer will send the money to our company before. Before means he's ready to take the service in next year. It means 24-25 financial year, but he is paying the advance to our company in this 24-25. So this is the 24-25, right? This is the 24-25 financial year, but we are providing services to the customer in 25-26 financial year. So these purpose we are taking, this one is the advance received. So at the same time, this is the advance received. So at the same time, we are giving some, we are taking some raw material. So XYZ company, but raw material was receiving from next year. We will take take the raw material from next year. So regarding this next year, what we are taking the raw material, that purpose we will pay some amount beforely. It means this financial year. So in these situations, this is called as a advance paid. So here deferral means some situations advance received, some scenarios advance paid. So whatever this is whatever it means, if a company receives a payment in advance for services to be provided over next year, the payment initially recorded as a liability. So it means we are not till we did not provide any services, but we are taking the amount. So this is comes under the current liabilities. At the same time, we are at the same time we are at the same time we are taking the services. You can see if the company receives the payment in advance for services, so it means our company providing some services. So these services purpose we will take advance from now. So this is provided as a now, but services will provide in next year. This payment initially recorded as a liability. At the same time, the revenue is then recognized the services as provided. So I'll explain few more examples. Timing of recognition, like accrual. Accrual recognize revenue and expenditure when they are earned incurred. And deferral delays recognition of until the revenue or expenditure is actually refunded. So it means we already taken some advances, or else we already paid some advances to our vendors already, or else we already taken some advance from our customers. So but these information will record in our will record in the systems, delay recognition until the revenue or expenditure actually realized. So then impact of financial statements. So these accrual and deferral concepts, what are the impacts which will be arised in financial statements? So if accrual documents increase the current assets or current liabilities with affecting cash flow immediately. Deferral involves adjusting the entries to ensure revenues and expenditure are recognized in the appropriate period. So these deferral concepts separately I'll explain. So this is comes under the advance payment topic. Advance or down payment topic, I will explain this one. But today, the accrual concept I will explain. So basically, month-ending reports will generate two types. So then one is accrual and deferral, and one other is open item management. So basically, open item management is nothing but we have different types of vendors, and we are having a number of customers. We are having a number of vendors. So by month ending, we need to generate vendor balances at the same time customer balances. So these purpose we are using open item management. This is the second scenario, and first one is accrual deferral concept meets. So it is comes under the regular payments like rent, electricity bill, salaries, wages, and housekeeping material bills, and whatever sanitary bills and labor contract bills. So these are monthly regular bills. So by month ending, before by month ending, we'll take some physical document. Based on the physical document, we must and should record the record. We must and should record this report by SAP systems. Then only we can generate the reports by month ending. How much amount to be payable particular expenditure wise. So, for example, I'll explain provisions. So, meaning of accrual. Provisions means outstanding. Meaning of accrual. Provisions means outstanding expenditure or outstanding payment. And I just reason. Okay. And for example, rent payable is one of the provision, and electricity bill payable, salaries payable, telephone bill payable. There are different types of, and deferral means advance received, rent advance received, cash advance received, whatever. So simple accrual means advance payable. Accrual means like a payables. Payables by month ending, how much amount to be payable, how much amount to be received. And deferral means rent advance received, cash advance received. So these are all comes under the deferral. And let's go to the topic. Uh, before going to post the document, we must have some debit and credit GLs. So previously, if there is, I'll explain three in this accrual deferral concept. We entered three steps. Step one is provision for salary. So not only salary, anything. So step one is first we need to record our balances. It means how much amount to be payable, how much amount to be receivable. So here, so now salaries account, salaries is the actual payment. So now we need to create one more GL account like expenditure GL account. So outstanding payable GL accounts. It means outstanding salary payable account. So outstanding salary payable or salaries payable GL account. So I already created salaries GL account. I already created. If you not created using with FS00, using with GL account, and salaries payable GL account also we need to create. So this salaries payable GL account comes under the current liabilities. So now salaries GL account I already created, and salaries payable GL account created. So now first step is using with FBS1. So go to the server and once again click on the SAP server, enter here and user ID, password. So see here, this is the SAP S/4HANA 2023 server. Once again, so this is the SAP S/4HANA 2023 version. So present market, many of the trainers still they are using ECC version, but here I am trying to explain mostly all the topics, 99% of topics explain in S/4HANA server only. So because of most of the companies now they are shifted, they are upgrading S/4HANA only. So now I'm explaining accrual concept. So first step is provision, record provisions. So it means salaries account data to outstanding account. So actually payment is for this month, salaries amount is I just mentioned 1 lakh. Wait something. I just reporting purpose I mentioned 85,000, and debit and credit amount also we need to enter same amount 85,000. So this is the payable amount. So by month ending, if you want to generate the report, how much amount to be payable in the form of salary, when the management asking, so these purpose we must and should yeah, pass this entry. Then only we can generate the report. So this entry, accrual deferral entry T code is FBS1. FBS1. Enter. So here you can see enter accrual and deferral document header data. This is the accrual and deferral document header data and document date. So document date cannot be entered in, cannot be taken future date. So I just mentioned today date only. But posting date is I mention in by this month ending date, because of all the payables and receivables report will be generated by month ending only. Type means this is the what type of document. Basically, regular expenditure comes under the SA document, general ledger document, and company code BMWC. Our company code, currency rate INR, and period. Now this is the period is 6th month. Actually, our financial is starting from April to March. So April 1st, April, May, June, July, August, September. September is the 6th month, 6th posting period. Enter 6th. And these are the document numbers. It will be generated automatically. So here reversal reason. Click on this one. Reversal reason is 00. Accrual deferral. So we need to generate the reporting purpose only. Here I will select. And reverse date. So at the time of accrual deferral document posting date only, we need to enter the reversal document date. So by month ending, we'll generate the reports. Next month first, then automatically it will be reversed, because when we reverse the document, then only we can make a payment whenever amount is available. So reversal document date is 01/10/2024, next month. Enter. Requested line item. Line item has not been entered. What is the error? Okay, wait and see. Line item display. Not yet entered. Line item. So here now entry is salaries account data to salaries payable account. So salaries is 40. So debit to salaries account data to salaries payable account. So debit posting key is 40, and here I will select debit ledger name, ledger salaries account. Right? Click on this one and again enter. So amount is 85,000 based on the transaction, and text is salaries for September 2024 month. So this one is credit posting period. Credit posting key is 50. So credit GL is salaries account data to salaries payable account. Salaries payable account, right? Continue. Enter. Now credit line item also we need to enter the amount. So once if you want to enter the same amount like 85,000, or else we just click on the star button and enter. Then automatically it will pick it in what the debit side we entered, same amount it will be reflected. And text also, if you need to enter same text, or else debit side we entered text like that is salaries for September month. So we just click on plus button and enter. Then automatically whatever the text amount we entered in debit side, it will be automatically reflected credit side also. Then click on save button. So now document 524 was posted in company code. So this is the actual and deferral document. Document 524 was posted in company code, right? Now we need to generate the reports by month ending, how much amount to be payable in the form of salaries. So now The reporting generation purpose T code is FBL3N. This is the like general ledger documents report open item balances checking T code FBL3N. So just /n FBL3N enter. So this is the GL account balances reporting T code. So if you know the GL account, you can click on or else just enter company code and click on execute. So then automatically your company code level, what are the GL accounts, so like open item management balances display, it will be reflected. Our balance is salaries payable, right? So salaries account is there, and so salaries account, there is no salaries payable ledger. Why? We are selecting the date is 8/9, but document posting date is month ending. So then we can click on this enter date 30 and click on the open item, execute. Now the salaries payable, it will be display here. You just scroll down, amount is 85,000. So here you can see 85,000 salaries payable, salaries for September month. It shows red color symbol. When it shows the red color symbol, it means it is the non-cleared item. So it means non-cleared item means accrual deferral in the point of point of accrual deferral means again we need to reverse it to, or else customer vendor point of view, when we payment done, then only it will shows green color. Till up to it shows all the GLs display in red color only. Red color means open item. Open item means not clear item. So here you can see 85,000 salaries payable. It shows. So by month ending, we just generate the reports. Total 3,24,000 salaries we need to pay. Previously, I entered some more documents. So salaries payable account 324. Right? The document number is 524. So just go back. If you can see, click on the cleared items, it will not display. When you click on the all items, then it will display all items. So now salaries payable 85,000, it will be show on open item, right? Now just go back, /n. Now the second entry is reverse of provision. T code is F.81. So here outstanding expenditure account data to salary account. So now it will be reversed. Why we reverse this document means by month ending reporting purpose only we generated the accrual deferral document, but as usually by month first date we need to reverse it. Then only the GL balance it will be correct amount, and we have an option to pay the amount particular expenditure. So the T code is F-81. F.81. So here you can see this is the company code BMWC, from company code BMWC, and document number 524, year 524, physical year 2024, document type is essay document, and posting date, these are all not required, and posting period is 6. So these are all not required. We just execute this one. So you can see the document 524, it will be ready to reverse. So in this way, you can generate multiple documents. So n number of expenditure related document, you just posted one thing, and at the time of document posting, you mentioned in reverse date is 0, next month first date. Then automatically, when you are trying to open update this details everything, document from number to number, you can select multiple documents at a time, like 524 to 624, whatever 100 or 200 documents. You just given the fields and click on the execute. Also, it will be display all the accrual and deferral documents. It will be available display here. Once you can check it, you just click on one entry. You just click on here reverse document. You just click on this option. Then automatically you can upload a multiple n number of reversal document. It takes 10, 100,000, whatever. All the documents it will be reversed at single click only. Then automatically the payable salaries payable, rent payable, payable GLs it will be nullified. So here I just click on. So before click on that, I just show the balances. FBL3N. Now open item. Click on the open item. Date 30. Execute. You can see outstanding salaries payable is 85,000. It will be displayed. Okay. Again, the screen. I just click on the reverse document. Processing completed. You can see posting date 30, document date 82, and reversal date 10. Reverse posting selection document long update. So 4 processes completed. Document 1 reversed. So time, date, and user ID, everything it will be displayed here. So now we just go the screen and just go back, right? Again execute. Now the salaries payable 85,000 it will be not display here because it is cleared. Salaries payable. So here you can see previously salaries payable 85,000 amount it will be display here, but now it is not showing because of the document because the document will left from this open item management. Now we just click on cleared item management. So cleared, click on the cleared item and execute. Cleared item, click on this. You can see it shows green color 85,000 salaries for September. It will be cleared. So document posting is essay document, right? Again, it will be reversed using the accrual and deferral document. When the essay document is reversed, it shows AB document. So 85,000 reverse. So when it will shows green color, then automatically the balances it will be 0. So this is the accrual and deferral. So now we need to post the document. Whenever funds is available, we just made a payment using with FB50. FB50 document date 8. And posting date 0 next month. So like 05 once again. So posting date is 05/10/2024. So basically here the posting periods are like up to 12 posting periods I open. So these purpose I have an option to post the document in next month only. But basically in real time scenarios they will open by month month to month only they will open. So we cannot able to post next month documents, right? So debit salaries account next third entry is final entry salary account data to bank account, right? 85,000 and again try to enter credit side also 85,000. This one need to change 85,000 and this one also I need to change 85,000, right? So now final entry is salaries account data to bank account. So we transfer the salaries from bank or cash, whatever. So salaries we need to kept in debit side, right? Salaries account like 85,000. And we are paying the salaries from cash or bank, whatever. Here I just select bank. We have an Axis Bank. Click on the Axis Bank. They click on credit side 85,000. Right? Enter. Period 6 is adjusted line item display 510. So document date period 6 is adjusted in line item display when the posting date is 5. An entry required item text field, whatever, salaries. So, right. It is asking indicator. So this is the payment this is the document date is 8th. We are paying the payment is 5th next month. So when you are updating all the details, it shows green color. Now the document required fields is updating properly. So click on save option. You can see document 525 was posted. Now the particular expenditure relevant salaries payment done. So this is the accrual and deferral concept. So I hope everyone it will be understand. Thank you so much for supporting, watching this video, and the same worksheet supporting document I will uploading in my YouTube channel at description using with one link. So thank you so much. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. And also please like and share my videos. Then automatically it will reach more people. Thank you so much.